Hello and welcome to Affinity. This picture is fairly neat, but maybe you could do with a little bit of sprucing up. One of the ways we perk up a picture is to just add an overlay, which is from a duplicate, which we can also do with using curves here and change the blend mode to overlay. Where is it? There we go. This is a bit strong, isn't it? Well, one of the things you can do is a top U curve, which is to pull up the side here, but now that's leaving this a little bit on the grey side, isn't it? So the reverse of this is the bottom N curve, because it looks a bit like a letter N. There we go. That's a lot better, isn't it? To go from here, pull down some of those bright bits, just ease it off, and there we have it. Let's have a look at what it's doing with this one, where we've got solid colours and then we've got gradients to black, to white and to grey. Then put in the curves here and bring this up and anchor the middle. If we go to the top, hang on, just before we do that, let's do an overlay. And there we go. See what the overlay does. Look at the way it pulls this in. If you turn the curves off, got an even gradient. With an overlay, it pushes this into the middle to get a higher contrast across the middle. So, but what we can do now with this is that if we pulled up, and look what happens, down here, and the similar things happening in here. If we pull this back to the U curve, that softens it a bit, but if we pull it down the other side into the N curve, this is softer still. So look what's happened, it's gone from here to here. If we compare that to the before and after, so before and after, see, it's pushed out, it's actually pushed out the greys there, and it's pushed the ends in here, so you get a spreading effect. So there we go. That's a quick and easy one. It's called the bottom N curve, and it goes to that. Turn that off. From that, from that to that. Just a little bit better. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.